Singapore's largest taxi operator is set to trial the use of cabin shields, and that's to reduce the risk of COVID-19 transmission. 400 ComfortDelGro cabs will install this plastic shield. It covers the driver's cabin, but has 2 openings for passengers to make payment. Comfort says the shields are made of an unbreakable material, which can also provide protection against any physical harm. The company says more taxis will be fitted with them if the trial proves successful. Other taxi and private hire operators CNA spoke to say they're exploring the possibility of something similar.